All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. So said Shakespeare, right outside your globe. I mean, obviously not the original globe, which burned down a few years ago, but still seems a good place to talk about these parts that we play. And so often, we're just playing parts that were given to us. We're handed a script and told, yeah, read those lines, and that's as good as it gets. And we might get typecast. But we also have a chance to rewrite our parts and choose the part that we want to play. And tapping can definitely help us with that, because when we try to make changes, there's a stress response, and we try to then stay in our comfort zone with the parts that we've been playing. But tapping helps us clear that stress so that we have greater freedom. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Tap where I tap and repeat back what I say. I choose to write a better part for myself. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to write a better part for myself. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to write an even better part for myself. An even juicier part. A part that I really love to play. I choose to write a better part for myself. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved. Because I choose to feel that free. I choose to write a better part for myself. I choose to write an even better part for myself. I choose to be open to the possibility that it's possible to play a better part. That doesn't mean I have to find fault with the part I'm playing. I can be absolutely grateful for the good things I have right now. I just choose to be open to the possibility that more might be possible. And I might be holding myself back, waiting for my agent to get me a better part.
We're gonna cross this bridge, guys.
But it's my choice. I'm taking control of this career called life. Deciding the part that I want to play. The things that I want to achieve. The things that I want to experience. I get to decide what that looks like. I'm clearing the fear of change, clearing the resistance, because I can handle this. I've got this. Clearing my fears and doubts about that. There is no role too great for me. So I'm writing the part that I want to play. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Check inside, and hopefully you might feel some more freedom about, you know what, I could play that part. Be the lead role in your life. And if there's stuff that gets in your way, I'm here for you. Thanks.